action, let's go. 추억 건물을 찾으러.
Hello, here we will explain about business letter and how to make it. Watch it until the end.
A business letter has several parts that is, and okay, let's just make a business letter.
Hi, I'm Ansar Fikriya. Here I will explain what is letterhead and that in business letter. Letterhead, or the general term is letterhead, is part of an official letter which is located at the very top of the letter. Letterhead can be differentiated between formal letters and non-formal letters, and the date is the letter was made. Just jump to the tutorial. Okay, previously I say sorry not to be able to screen record directly on a laptop because there were obstacles, so I just record using my phone. Here I already have letterhead and that. Inside the letterhead there is a company or business logo. This company name, this company address, this, and company contact, phone number, and email. Contact, phone number, and email. Sorry. This letterhead can be created in the heading. The way is to double click of the mouse the top of the page like this. Then create a letterhead. The second is the date. The date is made on the right of the letter with the date wording format is month, day, and year. Month, day, and year.
I'm Fania Hairunisa. Here I will explain the inside address and salutation.
The inside address in a business letter is the complete address of the recipient of the letter, including their name, title, company, and office address. It's located at the top of the letter, below of the date, and above the greeting.
Example of inside address in a business letter. Greeting in business letters refers to the opening sentence used to greet the recipients of the letter politely. This can be the recipient's name or another variant such as to whom it may concern, depending on the context and relationship to the recipients of the letter. Example of salutation in a business letter.
There is the standard opening line for all letters, but it may not be appropriate in some situations. Most business situations allow this opening to be used. If you feel it may not be appropriate, simply starting off with the recipient's name is a good alternative. The opening or greeting in a business letter is always formal. It often begins with their person names. Once again, be sure to include the person's title if you know it, such as Miss, Mrs., Mr., or Doctor. If you're unsure about the person title or gender, then just use their first name.
Okay, next, I am Situnjana. I will explain what is the focus of business letter.
The body of the letter in a business letter is the part that conveys the message, information, or request that the recipient of the letter wants to convey. This is the most substantial part of the letter, where the sender provides detailed explanation or argument relevant to the purpose of their communication. This is an example of the focus of a business letter.
Okay, I am Muhammad Akbar Fauzan. Here I will explain the part about action and closing. Action. In a business letter, action refers to the action that the sender expects or desires from the recipient of the letters. This could be a request to respond to a letter, do something, or provide certain information. Example of action in a business letter. Closing. In a business letter, closing refers to the last part of the letter that follows the body or main body of the letter. This is the part where the writer and the communication in a polite and professional style. The closing can be a phrase of sentence that show appreciation, politeness of the expected next action. Example of action in a business letter.
Hello, I'm Aina. Here I will explain complementary clause and signature. The complementary clause is the customary expression used to close formal business letters. Include thank you, sincerely yours, and yours truly. And finally, the signature. In the context of a letter, a signature refers to a person's name or a sign that represents him, which is signed by him or his representative, usually placed at the end of the letter and in the right or left corner.
Type name. This part refers to the sender's name at the end of the letter. Enclosure. If a letter contains document or other attachment in addition to the letter, the writer must display the number of attachment, namely by using enclosure number of attachment. For example, enclosure 2 at the bottom of the letter.